Hello everyone. Today we will see how to create an extension attribute in Magento 2.
Apart from this, I would like to mention that if you need extensions to increase the sales of your e-commerce store, then you can visit store.webkul.com and explore our number of products for every technology. We also have the user guide for the same in our blog sections, from where you can check the features and configuration and get to know the functionality of the extensions as well. Now let's see the workflow.
I have created a module named extension_attribute. Now, to create an extension attribute in this module, all we need to do is create a file named extension_attributes.xml inside the etc folder of the module. As you can see, I have already created this file and added an extension attribute with the attribute code delivery_instruction of type string. You can choose any attribute code you want. After adding this attribute, run the compile command so that Magento can generate the getter and setter methods for this attribute. Now that we have run the compile command, check the generated folder to verify that Magento has successfully generated the getter and setter methods for this attribute. As you can see, Magento has successfully generated the getter and setter methods for this attribute. That's it. You have successfully created the extension attribute.
And that's all about the functionality of this module. I hope you like it. If you have any queries, please contact us at support@webkul.com or raise a ticket at webkul.uvedesk.com. Thanks for watching and stay tuned.